Lovely. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am in the garage again. It's extremely cold, but the reason for this is because I need to give my front brake a bit of a once over. Brake's not seized, but the haven't been cleaned for a long time. So actually I've just come off the phone with Joe, so thanks very much again for letting me reach out and ask you stupid questions. The brake is making a weird like grinding noise, and I'm going out on the bike and it's a bit of a way, and I really don't want, one, the brake seizing, me being thrown off, or two, the bike not being in tip-top condition. So you know about the relights have been done, all that stuff is all good. It's now on to the brake, so let me show you what is going on and what the plan is. So hopefully you heard that, and you can hear the brake is making this grinding noise. So I did take the bike out briefly a few days ago, and when I was using the front brake, it just felt very spongy. The brake lines and everything's absolutely fine, so it's just the stopping power. These haven't been cleaned by me since I've ever got the bike, but when the brake did seize a while back, and you can check out the video somewhere up here, the mechanic in the shop did check my brake calipers and all that stuff and said they were fine. But after the Cotswold trips and the dirt, the ground that's probably got in there from the off-roading, again, if you haven't seen that, you can check it out somewhere up here. There might be something in there that needs to come out. So I'm gonna give them a once over and then be ready for the trip this weekend. Okay, so first things first, gloves on, because this is probably going to get a little bit messy. So I've got some muck off disc brake cleaner. Okay, so first caliper's off. The two screws are off. I've cleaned the disc brake already, put my teeth back in. I'm going to take the caliper off now, take out the brake pads, give them a once over and a clean, reassemble everything. Current state of my brake pads, they look quite rusted. So I've decided what I'm going to do is get a tub, put these in there, brake cleaner. I haven't got a toothbrush, but I've got a old premium shoe cleaner brush. I'm going to use that. Signal in my house is so bad. Just had to give Joe over at the works a quick phone call to make sure I'm doing everything right. I am, thankfully. It's just that peace of mind every now and again, just from an expert to understand you are in the right direction, you're not doing anything majorly wrong. But it's been easy so far, even for me to do. So it's something that I'm going to do more regularly. But everything looks like it's in tip-top condition, which is good. So nothing is replacing at the minute. It's just one of those things where I need to keep on top of, because it's quite clear that with the grime and the dirt build up and the bits of salt and all that kind of stuff is in there, and it's just clogging and making it a bit gritty. That's what I'm going to use. So get rid of all this, all that should be gone, and we'll be good for a ride out this weekend. Okay, it's back inside from the conversation with Joe. Pads, I'm just going to give a bit of a wipe down, get all those nice and dry. You can see in the middle of those grooves, hopefully. I'm just going to get anything that's stuck in there out, and then these will be good to go back in once I clean up this backside. So that's the kind of before and after shot. This one's going to be a bit more cleaner, but yeah, filthy cleaner. Yeah, so that's so much better. Okay, so with a bit of pressure, maybe a little bit of force, managed to get these back in. Not all the way, so I'm going to keep pushing these now, and then put the brake pads back in, and then connect it all back up, and we should then be good to go. Okay, so I'm happy they're back in. So then there's this that goes back. I'm just getting rid of some of this crud. So I just found a little bit just hiding behind the back. So I'm just, while I'm in there, I may as well make sure I get everything out. The only thing now is I can't remember which way in that pin goes. So with that being done, what that means is, if you remember the squeak from before, nothing. Not a grind, not a squeal, nothing. So that was all done using brake cleaner. See, I've chosen Muck Off brand, so you can use whatever you want. I used it was an old, it's filthy now, but a shoe brush and some basic tools. So the only thing that's not been done yet is the brake being torqued up. So luckily enough, my neighbour Craig has a torque wrench, so I'm going to check out the torque settings, torque this up. The bike then is good for this weekend's ride. This isn't a how-to, this is just me using the network that I've got and the amazing people. So thanks very much, Joe, for speaking to me on your day off, and Emily, you as well. Yeah, using all the tools that I've got. So again, disc brake cleaner did all the hard work really, and actually it's another thing I can tick off the list in terms of things which I didn't know how to do, and now I know what to do. But yeah, that noise, I can't wait to take the bike out.